Hello, madam. Since we had taken up a project on the design of smart irrigation system, we had come up with this compact design. This system of ours includes a soil moisture sensor, a soil moisture sensor relay, an Arduino Uno processor, a single channel relay, and a small water pump, and of course some jumping wires. This system is highly compact and mobile and can be accommodated in a box of this size. Uh, Let me just quickly explain the individual components and the workings of this system. Firstly, the soil moisture sensor, depending upon the water level in the soil, sends a signal to the Arduino Uno processor, which in turn will send an on or off signal to the water pump via a single channel relay. Now let me just quickly take up each individual components of the system. Firstly, we have the Arduino Uno processor that we have pre-programmed by connecting it to our laptop. This is the single channel relay that will switch on or off the pump. The soil moisture sensor, which is connected to the processor via the soil moisture sensor module. So now, when this soil moisture sensor is placed in the soil, depending upon whether the soil is dry or wet, this will send a high signal or a low signal to the Arduino Uno processor. That is, in case of a dry soil, this soil moisture sensor will send a low signal to the Arduino Uno processor. The Arduino Uno processor then in turn will send a high signal to the single channel relay, indicating the water pump needs to be switched on. Uh, After that, the water pump will be switched on automatically and watering will be done. Once the water level is reached, the soil moisture sensor will detect the water level and will send a high signal to the Arduino Uno processor via its module. Then the Arduino Uno processor will send a low signal to this single channel relay, indicating that the water supply from the pump should be cut off and the pump is switched off. Now let us see the demonstration of the working. Now we have placed the submersible water pump in the water and a pipe is connected to it to supply the water. Also, we have taken up a sample of completely dry soil into the small container, and now I'll be placing the soil moisture sensor into this dry soil. And once I place it, since all the systems are connected, the moment I switch on the water pump switch, the pump will be activated and the water will be delivered to in the soil. Then when once the water is delivered, the soil moisture sensor will detect that the water is been delivered to the soil, and it will send the signal to the Arduino processor, which will then cut off the water supply from the pump, thereby automating the entire system. So now I'll start. uh, I'll place this Firstly, I'll place this soil moisture sensor in this dry soil, completely dry soil. As you can see, I have placed this soil moisture sensor in this dry soil. The moment now I switch this switch, water will be taken from the water tank and supplied here. I'm switching on, and the water is being started. And as you can see, it's a bit of mess, but since the water has been delivered, the soil moisture sensor has detected and the supply has automatically been cut off. Once the soil dries, the system will automatically start again. Thank you.